It's maybe obvious to you what taste means, but let's start with this. For us, for all of us, taste is a sense, one of the six senses we have, and it's a way for the sensory system to be responsible for the perception of taste, flavor. So we know that we have um, five basic tastes, as we have five senses, and we can talk about sweetness, sourness, saltiness, bitterness, or, of course, savourness. For us, all this looks simple, but maybe we should talk about a sixth basic taste, which is related to the culture and not only to biology, like the sixth sense, which is quite different from the other five, which are obvious. So the idea is to imagine that when we taste a food, a wine, is not just an object, is not just a product, is also a part of civilization. And we have to keep this in mind when we taste it because it is related to humanity. I mean, memory is a piece of humanity in our intelligence, and we have to use it. A way to do this is, of course, to test it. Why? Because it's a way to be in direct relation with an object, which can be for a civilization a real subject. So, for this, we have to be ready. We have to know some uses. We have to go to many countries. So, we decided to share with us this way of thinking because we already were in more than 40 countries, and we want to continue this trip, this travel in the senses, and of course with the test, in order to understand more deeply what humanity is, even at this level.